Teespring tutorial for beginners: how to use and make money with Teespring. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am giving you a tutorial on Teespring, how you can make money, how to create an account, and how we actually create a print on demand business using Teespring for free. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to go to teespring.com and you will land on this website right here. How Teespring works. Well, Teespring is a platform that allows you to create products for free and you can sell them as well. There's no cost or anything with Teespring. All you need to do is create an account and then design the products. All of the other things are taken care by Teespring, for instance, the manufacturing of the product and shipping as well. So all you need to do is design a product such as a t-shirt, sticker, or a phone case. You can see there are different categories. You can create your own store here, list your product and sell it, and then you simply earn your profit. For instance, if you're selling a t-shirt for $50 and Teespring will take its manufacturing cost, which is going to be like maybe $30, and you will make profit of $20. So that's how it works. Let me show you how to create an account. So once you get to the software right here, you're going to click on Start Creating. So here you can sign up. You have to enter your name or your brand name, enter your email address, set up a password, select I am not a robot, and click on sign up. Once you do this, you will be able to create your free account on Teespring. So after the initial sign up or sign in, this is where you will land. This is the dashboard for Teespring that we have. Now let me show you around and we'll create a design here. I'll actually design a t-shirt and then we'll list it up on Teespring and sell our product. So once you create a store here, you can see this is the store that I have, which is Sway Closet, and it's like a test store that I have on Teespring. On Teespring, we have a lot of different products in different collections available. You can see we have like comfort t-shirts, we have classic hoodies, we have caps, and in new products, we have bags, mugs, stickers. We can design anything we want to for free. So what I will do is I'll just go to the collections over here and I'm going to select the t-shirt design because that's what I will be designing today. So this is our design section and then we will have style and launch. So once you actually create an account on Teespring, you get your store automatically. Here we also have the analytics, listing and store, and we can actually make a lot of money with Teespring with the profits. So this is the preview and we have the design. So let's actually switch to the design here. We have front and we have the back. So I will be designing something on the front. Here we can add text and an image. So what we will do is we will just click on add image, add your design that you have created. So this is a design that I had created earlier. This is an image and you can see I have added to my t-shirt. This actually looks really good and it'll just load my art that we have. You'll see an outline for the art that you're creating. So I'm just going to place my art right here on my t-shirt. And in the back, what we can do is we can go for a text. So what I will do is I will go for the text, and in text we can just write something, and I'll do that like this, and we'll just place them here. So you can see this is the text and we can actually do a lot of settings with the text as well. For instance, I'll change the alignment to the centered align and then I'm going to change the color to the purple right here and we'll make it italic, and we can also select any kind of font. So this is what I wanted to go for. So we'll just make it a little smaller and place it here. Okay, so let's switch to the front. Moving on, we have the product colors. So we can select any kind of color for the product. For instance, we have the white, of course. Then we have this color, which looks pretty good. Then I'm going to go with a red and check it out. Okay, so the red one doesn't look that good. The black looks good. And then the gray one. Then we have a blue. And we have a purple t-shirt. So all of these colors actually look pretty good and my product will be available in these colors. Then we have to set up a pricing. So the pricing they're saying is $25 will be good, 25 26.99. So what I will do is I'll go for 26.999 here. I'll be making a $7.61 of profit. And then we have euros where we have 36 euros for this one, and I'll be making 9 euros for profit. So you can see this is how we make money. And I am making $7 out of a t-shirt that I'm creating with Teespring for free. So this is how it works. Then we have some of the advanced settings. In advanced, we can also select a thumbnail design for the product. So I'm gonna go with the white one. Then we're gonna click on continue. So after designing, the next step is going to be styling. In styling, we have a title. So for title, I'm actually going for the Very Vibes t-shirt. Then we have to enter a description. And we have advanced settings. In advanced, again, we have URL. So this is the URL for my t-shirt, but I can change it if I want to. Then we have visibility. So the visibility is going to be public, private, and unlisted. So of course you will select public to sell our product, or we can select private. Then we have add to existing store. So I'll select my store, and we will click on launch listing. So once you click on launch listing, your product will be listed on Teespring. Once the product is created, now we'll actually check the final look of the product that we just created. Let's click on view listing. You can see this is what it looks like a product on Teespring. You can see this is how it looks like a product on Teespring. We have a price in US and EU as well. We can also edit out our details anytime we want to. So you can edit your listing once it's created too. On our Teespring now, I have a product and I will be making money. We can actually add easy payment methods here, connect any payment method to withdraw our money from the dashboard. So all of your profits will be collected here. You can see it shows me the product that I have, sold. It will show me the orders. It shows me the profit amount and to be paid. So this is how you make money on Teespring. Then we also have our stores here. You can not only create a store on Teespring, but you can also connect your other stores. So you can see if I take you to the store section here, it shows me my store. We can click on view store. This is the store that I have, and we can also connect a domain name or purchase a domain as well. We can edit the name anytime we want to. Then we have our payouts here at the end, and we have our analytics that will give me all the details about the orders, the analytics of my store that we're running on Teespring. With Teespring, you can create a print on demand for free. Get started, create an account without the credit card, create your own store, have your own domain name, sell your products, design your products. When it comes to designing, you can use any kind of tool or any kind of free images and create print on demand or this store to sell your t-shirts, hoodies, caps, bags, mugs, and more. This is how you will be making money on Teespring, and it's very easy to use it. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to share this video so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.